Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by linking accounts and installing two tools, Google Home and Shortcuts on your iPhone. Once done, create an IFT or webhook service account. This bridges Siri with Google routines. Make sure your Google Home is online and the phone is on the same Wi-Fi. This matters because local discovery and auth tokens depend on one network. Next, note the Google routine names you want Siri to trigger. You'll call those names exactly when creating the webhook and shortcut. Now build the flow. In IFT, set webhooks as the trigger and choose the Google Assistant or Google Home routine as the action. Once the applet is saved, copy the webhook's key and assemble the trigger URL. Testing it from a browser verifies connectivity. Then in Shortcuts, create a new shortcut using getContents of URL, paste the webhook's URL, and set post or get per the applet. Give the shortcut a clear name you'll speak to Siri and save it. Finally, test by saying your Siri phrase exactly as named. You should see Google Home perform the routine. If the routine seems off, refine parameters in IFT or add short delays in the shortcut so devices process commands in order. Make sure Shortcuts has network permissions and IFT is authorized to access Google services. Troubleshooting tip. If commands don't reach Google Home, reissue the webhook's key, reconnect Google account in IFT, and confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.